Is it the right time to buy or sell Phunware stock? Today, we're delving deep into Phunware, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. On January 18, 2024, our system ranked Phunware as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 42.54% since we first listed Phunware as a buy candidate just 11 days ago. That's an average return of 3.87% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock we're discussing today is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential 41.31% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means there is a chance for the value to increase by up to 82.14% or decrease by up to 57.57%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected minus 68.89% change in the stock's value over the next year. This implies a potential return between minus 100% and minus 63.51%, resulting in a price range of $0 to $0.126 after a year. Our latest update for Phunware brings some exciting news. The stock price of Phunware Inc. experienced a significant movement on Thursday, with a fluctuation of 11.82% between its high and low points. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 1, 2024, the stock price of Phunware Inc. increased by 7.78%, rising from $0.320 to $0.345. Throughout the day, the stock price varied between a low of $0.325 and a high of $0.363. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, experiencing an overall increase of 42.54% over the past 2 weeks. On this particular day, the trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 96 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $33.30 million. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $1.15, while the lowest price was $0.0701. Currently, the stock price is 69.99% below its 52-week high, amounting to a difference of 80 cents. Furthermore, it is 99.94% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 10, 2019 when the price reached $550. According to analysts, the stock of Phunware has received a general rating of neutral. The PE ratio is rated as buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also considered to be buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. Phunware Inc. has shown several signals that investors should take note of. The stock has received positive buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, the relation between these two signals supports a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections, the stock may find support at the levels of $0.316 and $0.166. However, a breakdown below these levels could trigger sell signals. On another note, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite the stock's price gains, trading volume has fallen, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could serve as an early warning sign, requiring close monitoring of the stock's performance. While there have been some negative signals, their impact on the near short-term development should be considered. Notably, a sell signal was issued and the stock reached a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, resulting in a decline of -19.73% so far. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. In this video, I'll share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have signaled a sell 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 14 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a buy 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 7 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Phunware. When it comes to support levels, Phunware Inc. has some important levels to watch. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $0.318 and $0.300. It's worth noting that there is always a risk when a stock tests a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for Phunware Inc. are at $0.318, $0.300, and $0.289. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Phunware Inc. is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility. This means that the stock can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent price movements, Phunware Inc. had a price range of $0.0384 between the high and low, which is equivalent to 11.82% of the stock's value. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 20.45%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Phunware, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio reflects a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.0500. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's now explore some potential day trading levels for Phunware. If Phunware is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to consider is at $0.359. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be suitable for swing trading. On the other hand, if Phunware faces a downward movement, its initial support level is at $0.318. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. The combined average rating for Phunware from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Snavely Michael sold 46,289 shares of common stock. On January 17, 2024, Snavely Michael sold 273 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought another 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael sold 83,903 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 56.646. Overall, insiders have purchased 9,436,046 shares and sold 2,709,406 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.327, with a decrease of 5.26%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which results in a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 7 days ago. Is Phunware stock a good buy? Phunware Inc. has shown multiple positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering this, we believe it is a favorable choice at its current levels, with potential for further gains in the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate Phunware stock to open lower by $0.0006 and begin trading at $0.345. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day.